Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E6i and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find the system. Now let's tap on the gestures and here we've got the system navigation. Of course, currently we've got the 3-button navigation applied, and if you want to set the gestures, simply tap on this first option and basically immediately instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which will be responsible for some gestures, some actions. Here at the top we've got the animation, so you can check how the gestures work, but of course no worries, I'll explain everything. You can also enter the settings icon, and as you can see you can customize the back sensitivity, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need it to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, all we have to do is to swipe our finger from the side to the center of our device, and you can do it from the left and also from the right side. It works the same. If you can see this arrow, simply release the finger and we will go back. As I said, the same situation from the left side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a quick and short motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, simply elongate this gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and hold your finger somewhere here. Maybe not like that. Okay, just like that, and after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.